You'd better swatch out if you don't want to cry. You'd better check gauge, I'm telling you why. Finished size is based on your gauge. You've got a pattern, you're checking it twice. You gotta find out what needle is right. Finished size is based on your gauge. It depends on how you're knitting, on how you hold your yarn. If you use plastic, metal or wood, knit flat or in the round. You'd better swatch out if you don't want to cry. You'd better check gauge, I'm telling you why. Finished size is based on your gauge. With straights, DPNs, and circulars too, no matter the length or what size will do. Finished size is based on your gauge. Sweaters, hats, socks, they need to fit. Gauge is essential, don't do without it. Finished size is based on your gauge. I just finished a sweater, it turned out way too big, because I didn't check my gauge before I started. I should have checked gauge and bought my swatch. Now my sweater fits on my car. Finished size is based on your gauge. Doesn't matter where you're knitting, you need to check your gauge. It determines drape and yardage as well as finished size. You'd better swatch out if you don't want to cry. You'd better check gauge, I'm telling you why. Finished size is based on your gauge. You'd better swatch out if you don't want to cry. You better check gauge, I'm telling you why. Finished size is based on, finished size is based on your gauge.
Happy holidays, everybody.